Okay, this is a small video where I show you how to use the GLightbox plugin for Micro.blog. This is a plugin that Jason Becker wrote to allow you to add photo galleries to your posts. And when used, the photos will be arranged as a grid and users will be able to tap on each photo to enlarge it. So I'm going to be using the plugin for this post here. As you can see, it's basically just a bunch of photos arranged in a single column. And if you were to view that post in the browser, you'll see that it's effectively like many other photos you'll see on most other pages. So let's install the plugin now. So I'll go to Plugins, click Find Plugin. And if I do a search for Lightbox, it should show up. So GLightbox by Jason Becker. And I will install the plugin now. And while the plugin's installed, let's take a quick look at how it works. So what it does is installs a new shortcode, which allows you to wrap images in a Lightbox container. And this gives users the ability to tap the image to enlarge them. And it also installs a bit of CSS to allow you to arrange a bunch of these images as a gallery, which will give a nice little grid structure. So let's make use of the plugin now. So what I do is I'll go to edit this post. As you can see, it's basically just a bunch of image tags at the moment. And the first thing I'll do is wrap them in a new div with the class image gallery. And this should give you the nice grid structure. Now, what I'll do is replace the width and height attributes of these images. The Lightbox plugin doesn't need it. And I'll replace it with a new gallery tag. And this is basically an ID for a particular gallery. And it's a good idea to have a unique ID for each gallery that you want, just in case you want to have multiple galleries on the page. And this will basically put together the navigation options for a particular gallery, where the user can press left and right to navigate between the images. Okay, and then I will replace the image tag with the Lightbox shortcode. So Lightbox there, box there. And you'll see that I can leave the source and alt attributes as per normal, with the only new attribute being the gallery attribute and the width and height attribute being removed. So let's update this post now. And we'll give it a bit of time. So one downside from using the shortcode is that the gallery looks a bit strange in the post section of Micro.blog. And that's basically just the HTML renderer trying to sort of interpret the shortcode tag. And yeah, that's one annoying thing. But if I were to go to my page, I'll reload. So you see now all the images are arranged in a grid, and I'm able to click them to enlarge them. And I'm also able to use the left and right arrow key to navigate the images of the gallery. Of course, X to close. So that is the basic usage of it. One other thing I'll show you is how to add captions. So let's say I want to add a caption to the photo of the cafe. All I need to do is add a description attribute and give it a caption. So let's say this is one of my favorites cafes to go to. Let's say coffee emoji. Now if I were to update that post, and reload the page, now if I were to click that image, you'll see the caption down here. And that is pretty much it. So I found this plugin to be very useful for my own blog. One good thing is that it doesn't affect any of the existing image tags you have in your posts. So you need to opt in to create a gallery, but it does provide a nice way of organizing photos as a gallery. And that is it. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you later.